Dude, that's creepy. Sounds like somebody just took a massive shit. Oh! Oh! What the fuck is going on? Dude, that's creepy. That's very creepy. Oh! Oh, got him! Oh! Oh no! Oh god, dude, why did I do that? Oh! Oh! Stay away from that. Ooh! Oh! Okay, there goes one. I don't want to waste these bullets, so... Oh man. So like, this is like a jail, I think. A jail. Oh yeah, what is a detention center? Oh man, poor dudes. Oh, they're talking. Why do they sound like that? Kill me. No. Let me out. Why do they sound like that? I mean, I guess I put them out of their misery, but that was brutal. This place is insane. Pick up a weapon, soldier, and join me. That's fucked. Oh! Oh, some poor soul didn't make it. Oh, jeez.